welcome to my channel Aksh Moments. So today I'm gonna make Coco's name out of perler beads. I'll take the perler beads. Hey Coco, he's ready to run. Okay, he's a lion. So now we are gonna make Coco's name out of perler beads. And so I'm just gonna separate some colors. Which color should I use for Coco? So guys, for this we need this plucker, and I have separated a little bit only, not like too much, but like blue, red and yellow. And so here's a box. I'm gonna keep this in the tray and like pick the colors and keep it here and then make blah blah. And then I have this board so I can like make on it, and I have this paper to also make it hardened. So I have made my name. I'll show you one day I did. Even one heart. I'll show you in my perler beads video. I have made it. So I'll show you those. There you go. My name and the heart. There you go. Okay. Now let's start making. Guys, look, this is my Coco. Guys, so I'm gonna keep this big box and like keep almost, not almost, like a little bit, and then I'll separate it. Coco, no, remove, no biting. Just Coco just came out of nowhere. It's making sound. Okay guys, now I take this plucker. Yeah. Coco, I'm making a name. Are you happy? He doesn't even care, guys. He's just chewing something else. I'll just throw it away. Yeah. No, Coco, don't eat this. He always like to eat things. Like this, it's easier. It's a little hard to separate, so I'm just straight away making. And a little bit which is separate, I'm taking a little bit. Okay, so do you know what I did? I made already CO, and then CO I'll make with yellow, and then I'll color it with blue. So that's why I took these two colors. I meant three. Now see again, guys. Guys, C is easier to make than O. Coco's just wandering around. What is this? Perler beads. Guys, his name is easier than my name. My name is just AKSH. After taking a lot of perler beads, he just needs CO and CO. Repeating. So it's easy for his name. My name is like little harder. Okay, C is done now. Last word. O again. Ow. I thought Coco was doing something naughty, so I just looked at him. Made C-O-C-O. Second C here. Look. Coco. Now guys, should I make like small also? I can't. It's kind of hard. So better to just now color it up with blue, I guess. Is it blue? I'm also gonna take white as a background. It's gonna look cool. So here a bunch of whites. Wait a second. It's gonna be a little hard. I have to be a little careful. Because the board is also white and the perler beads is also white, the white color. So it's going to be hard to see. If I want the top on. No, the royal lights next. What happened? Coco, I'm making a nameplate. Don't be sad, okay? I'm going to keep it in front of your door. House door, so whenever he'll come inside his home, oh yeah, Aksh made this name for me, and I'm so I used white, yellow, and blue and red. So right now I finished CO, the last parts, but now I'm making the first CO. CO. Coco. Ready are a doggy. I'm about to finish. Only 2 pieces. Yes, only 2 pieces left. I'm so happy. Let's take this 2. Wait, I only took 1. It's okay. Keep it here. Last piece, guys. Last piece. I finally finished. It took forever. And yeah, I finished it. It looks so cool. Wait, I ruined one. Wait. You come back. And I'll keep this here. Wait. It's finally time to iron it. So I'm gonna keep this here. Wait, I'll bring the iron. I kept the iron on plugged, and now look, This is until it gets a little hot. I'm gonna iron it and it's gonna be hardened. Maybe it's ready. Yes, it's ready, guys. Okay, I think so. This iron is hot enough. So now let's iron it. Coco's name, and I brought a thread. Now I'm gonna keep it in here. So look, I kept it now, and yeah, I'll try to keep it in. Coco, come! Just keep the collar on him. Let him just tickle himself. Whatever he's doing, look, there you go. Hey, Coco, come back. So I'll just keep it in his home. Let's go and keep it in his home. As you know, this is Coco and his house. He's trying to get the name tag. Yeah, this is his house. I'll just write here like this. And then I hope you enjoy my video. Like and subscribe my channel. And please subscribe for Coco, this boy here. He was there before. And now like for me and subscribe for Coco. And now all this hard work you have to share, obviously.